YouTube, how you doing, Earthlings? Just a quick little video, final part of my trashy trashbot called Binjamin. Thanks to THOMBIE ZOO for bringing up the name Binjamin, and Esrom makes for bringing up the trashbashed trashbot, which I didn't really sort of, it was just a bin as far as I was concerned. Anyway, here we are. Here is little trashy. Alright, I will say one thing that I think is a little bit too dirty. I took ages getting that yellow paint on there, and then using the hairspray technique of trying to rub off this paint, but it was on there so thick that it was actually quite hard to get off. But I've got some really quite nice areas where there's obvious chipped paint, and it came off quite a bit down here, which wasn't really supposed to happen. And the lid opens. Yeah, so the photographs, you've seen the photographs of him holding his lid up and chucking the rubbish into his head. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you all of the joints that I've done and how they're working. All of these, there's a little magnet on the other side of the plastic there, and that's strong enough to hold that. Then you've got a magnet on this bit here, and there's another ball bearing here, and then that will just sort of move about. It's quite tough. I did have a magnet on the end there, but it's gone down in there and it's come off the end here. So, but I can, I suppose, interchange. You know, I've got lots of other different shaped hands I could paint up and make. Let me get the arm off. Actually, yeah, that is a problem I do have. They do sort of, they do like to do that a bit, but when you've got it on there, it is really tough, and you know, there's no moving it about really. Well, there is, because it just moved. So yeah, the wrist actually moves there, and then of course up and down as well. So complete movement on the arms. Same on this one. Quite easy to just get it posed in any position. And then his eyes move as well, with a bit of aluminium armature wire, and then this rubbery shock absorber thing from inside of a CD-ROM drive, DVD drive thing there from computer. And then this one moves as well, because I've got a big magnet in there, and stuck a bit of a rubber ring in there because I thought it might, and it does actually stop it wobbling about so much, but a bit of blue tack in there that shouldn't be in there. So yeah, so I've flattened off this ball, the mouse wheel ball. So there we are. Bit of aluminium armature wire for a sort of an eye guard thing. But yeah, very pleased with how little Trashy came out. Obviously a version of Wally from the Wally films. But anyway, I think that's all you need to see. Trashy. He's he's 1/18th scale, so Star Wars action figure, or in this case Action Force, or mini action men as I'd like to call them. Yeah, Trashy. I like his eyes, they light up. Cool. Anyway, be posted online today, because I've done the Instagram post and I've written in the post saying that there's a playlist of videos. I've only got 2 on there so far, and there's 2 more still to post up, including this one I'm just doing right now. So I'm quite enjoying looking at people's things on Instagram, but I was hoping it was going to be a way to get people to go over to my YouTube channel, but I think it's actually doing the opposite, and it's actually taking YouTube views away. But I don't know. I was a bit late with, I've done about 30 posts, quite a few posts before I decided to put on each post about the playlist and the videos that there are available to watch of me making these things, because people are just asking questions about what I've made, and they're not bothering looking at the videos which show everything that I do, how to make everything. Anyway, I still haven't buried Rosie. It's just so dry here at the moment. It's going to take ages to dig a hole for her. With my fitness at the moment, and my lack of fitness, I should say, I can't go up to bury her or I would. Well, I buried the other 3 that have parted company from me. They'll always be with me. Buzz, Smokey and Susie. Anyway, I'm finding things a little bit challenging at the moment, let's put it that way. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like if you like the video. Please subscribe for more. Share if you think someone else might like it. And leave a comment. I'd love to hear your comments. I try to reply to all of them. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll follow back. Probably. No, I will do, unless you're private or something. But anyway. Yeah, I've got this other thing I've got to finish. 2 other things I've got to finish. I've got quite far into, so I really want to get to do some sculpting again though. But anyway, I don't know. Life is a bit of a challenge at the moment, with Putin and affecting the lives of hundreds of millions of people, mostly poor, including me. Can one man just make such a complete balls up? Just this country as well, it's just stagflation, I think they call it. Stagnated inflation. It's just a stagnated economy. There's no hope for the world, I don't think, at the moment. Maybe Putin should just start dropping the bombs. Anyway, thank you, bye bye. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening and goodbye.